students. In the last class, we discussed about vegetative propagation and different types of vegetative propagation. Today, we are going to discuss the next topic called agriculture. Agriculture. You all know we depend on different types of food like vegetables, fruits, crops or meat, milk, egg, like different things we are depending for living. Where we get these all things? From plants and animals. So this agriculture is what which makes the mass production of plants and animals for food and other purposes are called agriculture. Once again I am repeating, the mass production of plants and animals for food and other purpose is called agriculture. It is the mass production. Mass production. It is the keyword for this agriculture. The steps of agriculture are, the first one is plowing. Plowing. The first one is plowing. The second one is manuring. The second one is manuring. The third one is sowing seeds. Sowing seeds. The fourth one is irrigation. Irrigation. And the fifth one is spraying pesticides. Spraying pesticides. And the sixth one, the last one is harvesting. Harvesting. These are the 6 steps in agriculture. The first one is plowing. The second one is manuring. The third one is sowing seeds. The fourth one is irrigation. The fifth one is spraying pesticides. And the sixth one is harvesting. Plowing means loosening the soil. And this manuring means we are giving nutrients to our soil. This manure means maybe organic or chemical. And the third one is sowing seeds, means we are putting the seeds in the soil. And the fourth one is irrigation. We are providing water to our seeds for their growing. When the seeds get into plant, still we want to give water. The next one is spraying pesticides. We know there will come many types of the insects and all for destroying the plants. So we spray pesticides. These pesticides also have organic and chemical. The last one is harvesting. Harvesting means when the crop is grown and ready, we just cut it and gather it. These are the 6 steps of agriculture. Have you ever heard of wheat crops? Wheat crops. What is this crop mean? Do you know what is this crops? Crops are the plants of same kind growing in large scale at a particular place during particular time. That is growing in large scale. Large scale. The next point is in particular place. Particular place. And the next point is particular time. Particular time. This is what the crops called. Now we are going to classify these crops into two. the kharif crops and the rabi crops. The crops are classified into two, kharif crops and rabi crops. These kharif crops are growing from June to October, and this is the season of monsoon. And these crops depends on monsoon. And the examples of these kharif crops are rice, maize, cotton. And what about these rabi crops are? They are growing from November to April, and it is the summer season, and they do not depend on monsoon. And the examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram and pea. Before and after harvesting, there are different types of insects and animals came and spoil our crops. For this, we add or we spray certain type of pesticides and protect our crops. And the seeds and our crops are protected. This is all about this chapter. You please read your chapter 3-4 times and ask me if you have any doubts. Now I am giving you some tasks to do. Take your textbook and in the page number 82 you can see some questions. So you can write the answers in your textbook itself. Now here you can see long answer question. You please write this question and answer in your notebook. These two you have to write the question and answer in your notebook. And it's better this F also, you please write the question and answers in your notebook. That may be little lengthy and you feel difficulty to write in your textbook. So you please write this F and G in your notebook. And now there is some activities and all. You please just read and fill this the picture top. The first one, you please identify these pictures and write the name of the plant here. This all for today. Thank you.